Breakfast na. Yan na yung breakfast. Yan. Kailangan humigop ng sabaw para mainitan ang tummy. Wow! Yes, this tuna. It's tuna. Yan, guyabano hinog na. Wow. Fish fillet. Fish ball. Oh, what's this? Parang parang escabeche na balls. Escabeche balls. And let's eat. Ayan, magtsaa muna for yan, condition sa tummy. Tadaan! Let's bring outside para maganda ang view. Na. Oh, what's this? Wow, taba na nila.